guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, I'm Wechi. I'm here to show you guys how to make money online, how to improve your income so you can quit your 9-to-5 job or do it as a side hustle. But in today's video, I'm gonna share a really important information with you. I'm sure you guys already know what I'm gonna talk about by the title of this video. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below if you have any question. I'll be more than happy to help you guys. As a new seller on Amazon put a certain restriction on certain product. Those brands put like restriction on those products because they don't want people to sell their counterfeit product. They don't want people to sell like fake products. So that's the only reason Amazon put a certain restriction on those brands, because the brand doesn't want nobody to sell like fake product on their behalf, okay? Because it's not good for their reputation. As a new seller, or maybe if you're doing retail arbitrage, maybe you wanna sell Nike, Adidas, or any Let Go brand or any type of other brand. So but when you scan those products, you get restricted for those products. But in order to get ungated for those products, by Amazon, you have to sell a lot of product. Like you have to sell in volume. So it doesn't matter how much money you make on Amazon. The only thing that matter is how much product you sell. So Amazon has a certain limit. Once you reach the limit, so they're gonna ungate your account. You'll be able to sell any type of product on any brand. There is another way to get ungated. It's by providing them an invoice from the manufacturer. So like they require you an invoice of 10 pair of this product and send it to them in order for you to get ungated on those type of product. But it's not easy to find those manufacturers, and it's not easy for them to give you this paper. Sometimes you might call them on whatever, but it's not easy for you to find those manufacturers. I know this video gonna make a lot of people mad, because a lot of people who selling those costs, you can pay over like $2,000 in order to know how to get ungated on Amazon. I don't want a lot of people to start selling those products. They don't want you to get ungated, because the more people who get ungated, the more the competition gonna be, and they're gonna make like, I don't think it's a problem. That's why I'm sharing those information with you guys. I don't want you guys to pay for it and information that you can find over the internet. So I had to pay for it, and I want to share it for free on my. I could charge people in order to show them how to do it. I want to have my community here. That's why I'm gonna share this information with you guys for free. So the first thing I want you guys to go is to go on this website. It's called selleressential.com. So on this website, it's basically gonna tell you why Amazon put some restriction on those products and how to get ungated for those products. So like Let Go, Converse, any type of other brand. So you're gonna see it here, how to get ungated for this product. But in order to get ungated for like Nike, Adidas, and other brands, so I want you guys to go on this website. It's called eastbay.com. Sorry guys if I'm looking around. Hold on, let me do a screen recording. Okay, sorry guys if I'm gonna look this way. It's because I'm in the computer, so I want to show you guys what to do. So the first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna go on your Safari or whatever, and you're gonna go on this website. It's called eastbay.com. So right here, so in this company you can get an invoice, but in order to get an invoice you need to buy at least 10 pair. So that's what Amazon required. So if you're looking for because you need to buy this product in order to send this invoice. So let's say so what I did is go and buy a pair, like 10 pair of Nike socks. So the day I bought them, they was on sale. I didn't have a lot of money, so but I just wanted to get them. But okay, here we go. So they have this product on sale. So I remember when I bought them, I bought I don't see the one I bought. So either way, it's any of them. Once you get Ungated, you can get Ungated for any type of product, any Nike product like shoes, t-shirt, and anything. So what I will do is go ahead and buy this product, but they only have the large size, so I'll go ahead and add 10. So you go ahead and you pay for those products. On the box they're gonna send you the invoice paper. So what you're gonna do is go on Amazon.com, take the name of this product, the Nike Cool Socks, and go on Amazon.com, and paste the name of the product. You're gonna scroll down all the way at the bottom of the product, then you're gonna go on Amazon Seller Central. So you're gonna go under add a product. So you're gonna copy the ASIN number here. See this product. The only reason it says show this variation or sell this product, it's because I'm already Ungated for selling any Nike brand or any Adidas brand. So let's say let go, because I'm not Ungated, because I don't really sell any toys. So so we have this product, and let's scroll down and get the ASIN number right here, and then go on Amazon and paste it here. Oh, I'm actually approved to sell any Let Go product. I didn't even know. That's what I'm selling. That's what I'm telling you guys. Sometime when you sell in volume, Amazon gets you Ungated automatically for those products. So for this product, I didn't do any application, I didn't do any invoice, but I'm surprised I get Ungated for it. I didn't even know. So what type of product I can look for now? So I can show you guys which one, because I sell a lot. The key is selling a lot of items. Let's do a Steve Martin, because I don't think I'm approved for it, unless they got your girl Ungated for this product, but I don't think I'm approved for it, because I was not interested in selling any Steve Martin product. So let's get the code, and let's go right here and add it. Let's just type the name. Just do it like that. Is it double D or 1D? Okay. So let's do sell this variation. Okay, right here guys, so that's why I wanted to get it right here. So on this product you can see it's a apply to sell. So what you will do, you will click on it right here, you click here and say this product is new, you want to apply to sell. So once you receive the invoice in the box, so you're gonna take a picture of the invoice, and then you're gonna go right here and say request approval. So you're gonna click on the first one, because it's gonna say at least one purchase invoice for product from the manufacturer or distributor. This product cannot be 180 days late. So once you receive it, make sure you guys send the invoice to Amazon, and you have to buy at least 10 pair, and in this invoice it has to show your address, the manufacturer address. So it's not gonna show any manufacturer address because you bought it on eBay, so it's an online store, but it's not a problem. I didn't get any issue with that. So, and then down here you're gonna put your email address and your phone number just in case they need you. So that's basically what you're gonna do. Sometimes they respond within hours, or maybe like 2 or 3 days. So that's basically what you're gonna do. But for any other product, that's how you're gonna use eBay in order to get approved for it. But one thing, don't think you can go into a Nike store and buy 10 pair and upload it. There's two different things. There is a receipt and there is an invoice. So a receipt is not an invoice paper. So once you buy it here, they're gonna send you the invoice, and you're gonna see there's a big difference between a receipt and an invoice. If you upload a receipt, you ain't gonna get approved for it. Let's say you wanted to get approved into Nike and Adidas and any other brand. So what you will do, don't tell anybody I'm telling you to do this, okay? So what I did, the product I bought and I used it, when I bought it, it was on sale, and I resold them on Amazon and make a profit off of it. But just in case you don't have the money, but you want to get an invoice in any of this product, what you will do is buy this product, get the invoice, then return the product. Don't tell anybody I say anything like that. I didn't say anything like that. But if you keep doing this, they can block your account. They're gonna say you just using them in order to get your invoice. So don't do that. Don't put me in. That said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learn how to do it. And if you guys have any issue, let me know or comment down below. If you guys need help to open your Amazon account, so I do have a Zoom meeting. I told you guys I charge only $25 in order to help you open your Amazon account if you already started. But if you haven't started, open your Amazon account. So I'm gonna charge you a little bit over that, because I have a complete video showing you step by step how to open your Amazon account. Don't be lazy. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy everything. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you want to. I mean, yeah, why wouldn't you? And I'll see you guys on my next video.